Welcome to GVI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 VW Touran SEL. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 41 miles per gallon. The insurance group is 17 and it's a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 27,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic Atlantic blue and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As for everything inside, you have the nice clean interior. Being the SEL, the car comes very well equipped. So you've got the armrest and two cup holders there in the centre. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then this car also has climate control, cruise control, which is the active cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers. And finally, on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. The Touran's a great car for the family, so lots of legroom and headroom there in the centre. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre, as well as the fold-away picnic tables. And it's good to see the car's got the floor mats from VW too. This car was chosen as a factory option of having the electric tailgate, so that opens automatically for you to reveal a really good sized boot there. With the 7-seater option, I've left one up to show you how that looks, but obviously you can fold them down to increase the boot capacity. And below the boot floor, you've also got some storage there for your parcel shelf as well. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and then also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.